I'm Violet, and today we're making the best Snickerdoodles ever. Actually, the best cookies ever. These are incredibly soft with that delicious cinnamon flavor, and they are super easy to make. But before we begin, make sure you have these ingredients and tools ready. So we're going to start by adding the shortening into the mixing bowl. Next, we're going to add the sugar and mix that on low speed until it's all combined. Now we're going to add the eggs one at a time, making sure the first one is fully added until adding the second one. Now we're adding the flour into a bowl with the salt, the baking soda, and the cream of tartar. And we're going to whisk that all together until it's fully mixed. Now we're going to add the flour mixture into the shortening mixture. Make sure to spill a little. Now we're going to mix that on low speed until a dough forms. Next, we're going to cover it in plastic wrap and let it set in the fridge for 30 minutes. And we're going to preheat the oven to 375 on convect or bake 400. Now we're going to scoop the chilled dough into balls using the cookie scooper. We're going to cover it in cinnamon sugar, and we're going to add it onto our mat. Make sure you leave at least 1 inch apart. They're not going to expand too much, but it's always better to be safe than sorry. Now we're going to put them in the oven and bake them for 8 to 10 minutes. Now we're going to let them cool on a cooling rack. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.